Hi everyone, and welcome to this channel. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at how to clear the Soundcloud app cache. You see, clearing the app cache can help resolve issues like slow loading times, unexpected behavior, or excessive data usage. And here's how to do it. If you're using an Android phone or Android device, this is how you do it. The first thing you need to do is go to your device settings. Once you get there, search for apps or application. Now the exact location may vary slightly depending on your Android version, so look for apps, application, or a similar option. Then locate the Soundcloud application. In the list, tap storage or storage usage, and this will show you information about the app's storage usage, and simply tap clear cache, and this will delete temporary files stored by the app, which can free up space and potentially improve performance. Now, if you clear the cache, it will not delete your account information or downloaded tracks, so you have nothing to worry about. Now, if you're using an iOS, that is iPhone or iPad, how do you do it? Now, unfortunately, iOS devices don't have a specific clear cache option for individual apps. However, you can try these steps to free up space. 1. First, close the app. If you double tap the home button for older devices, you swipe up from the bottom of the screen for newer devices, it will help you access the app switcher. Swipe up on the Soundcloud app card to close it completely. Then restart your device. Once you turn off your iPhone or iPad and turn it back on, this can help you sometimes resolve minor glitches and free up memory. Next, you can update the app. Check for updates to the Soundcloud app in the App Store, because updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Next, you can delete and reinstall the app if necessary. If the issues you're facing that made you want to clear the app cache persists, you can try deleting the Soundcloud app and then reinstalling it from the App Store. This will remove all app data, including your login information, so be sure to back up any important settings or information before doing this. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.